I used to look at myself in the mirror and feel disgusted with myself. Like even right now in front of this camera right now, I'm saying to myself like, damn son. What's up guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful tips and strategy videos to improve your self-care, as well as one-on-one talks just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, because we're about to get really real in this video. Extremely real. Okay. I have no idea how I want to start this video, but I feel like it has to get done. What I really want to do is help overcome this insecurity that I have. For most people, when they look at me, they see that, I'm a confident person. I'm all about, positivity. But what they don't see behind the curtains is I have this insecurity, and sometimes it just makes me feel very unappreciated of myself. I do a lot of self-hate talk inside my mind. Right now it's taking a lot of courage to put this out on the web. But if you haven't guessed already, my insecurity is my weight. I am skinny and it's very difficult for me to put on weight. I have a fast metabolism rate. Like I'm constantly active. Yet I take that truth and I stretch it out completely. When people ask me, hey, have you eaten? Or why are you so skinny? Like, damn, you need to put some meat on your bones. Like that shit kind of hurts in a way, because it's like, damn, I'm trying. But it wasn't always like that. Now you see, to back up a little bit more, I didn't come from a rich family. We all struggled, and sometimes when it comes to food, we don't have enough money to be buying food constantly like that. So whatever little food we have, we had to make sure that is due and stretch for a period of time. Growing up with that concept, I kind of like grew up with a mindset of like, you know what, hey, at least it's something. It may not be everything, but at least you have something. I would tell people when they be like, yo, did you eat? I would lie and make up stories and be like, yeah, I just had this big buffet breakfast, and I'll just go off on a little imagination world tangent, saying that, oh, I had like this and I had that, and in reality all I had was like literally 2 slices of bread and peanut butter. Money was probably still is a big factor in terms of buying food, and especially like the healthy food, nothing that's processed or anything like that, thing that like just could harm your body. I used to look at myself in the mirror and feel disgusted with myself. Like even right now in front of this camera right now, I'm saying to myself like, damn son, you need to throw on like a jacket. People would ask me, why am I wearing jackets out in the hot ass sun or like long sleeves? It's because of this. You tell yourself something good. You tell yourself, and it's like your mind just kind of like says, nah nigga, you're just skinny as fuck. Like just straight out, just point blank period. And it would irritate me too. I guess it's like for another vid. One of my flaws is I don't know how to express my emotions clearly to people. So one of my I guess treatments, if you will, when I get angry, I would randomly do push-ups, or like I'll randomly just do crunches or whatever, like some type of exercise to release some whatever feelings I'm feeling inside. Damn, if only you knew what goes on behind the scenes. And that would irritate me, and I would just do some push-ups, hopefully thinking, praying that doing these exercises I'll bulk up and I'll get strong, and like I don't have to worry about, being skinny ever again. Of course, it doesn't work like that. Everyone in the health world knows, or if you don't know, let me spell it out for you. Diet is the most key component when it comes to building muscle. For me, unfortunately, even though I have the discipline of exercising every day, I do not have the discipline of treating my body right in terms of feeding it nutritious food, or at least food to help me gain weight at least. If you tell someone who has a lot of weight, why you're fat, or like why are you overweight, it weighs the same amount when you tell someone, why are you so skinny? Why don't you eat? I feel like I'm a master of not letting things affect me, and I'm easy to like brush it off. The weight problem, for some reason, it may not affect me, but when I start telling myself, it's like, damn, yo, you're very skinny, dude. Like, you look very sick. You look very ill. I would get mad, not at the person that told me that, but I would get mad at myself, because it's like, shit, man, so what the fuck do you want me to do? If I can put myself out there and to be like, yeah, I am skinny, I am like a bag of bones, that's okay. You just gotta take it one step at a time. I'm just getting shivers right now. What the hell? I just had like a little flashback. When someone offers you food, you try to be very humble with it. You don't know their financial situation, so you're like, no, I'm good, no, I'm cool. Even though deep down you're friggin' starving, I didn't want them to spend money on me because I feel like I'm a burden to these people when they do that. It sucks. I don't like that feeling of being like weight on people's lives. Like, I really don't like it. I would rather go out and get it on my own, not out of pride, but it's just because I'm very cautious of people's situations. You never know who has it like that, or you never know who is also struggling too. I'm tired of looking at myself in the mirror saying that you know, you don't look right. Damn, you're so freaking skinny. Like, I'm tired of telling myself this, and I'm tired of just not feeling good about myself. That's exactly what it is. I'm tired of not feeling good about myself. I'm tired of just tired of doing self-hate mentally. Normally I do that to motivate myself. To be honest, I'll be very clear with you. That's part of my strategy to keep me motivated. But with this insecurity, I feel like every time I do it, it takes a powerful plunge to my face. I want to be able to wake up in the morning and just look at myself and be like, yo, you know what? This is who I am. Hold up. One more other thing too. I'm gonna throw it out there too. Sometimes as well, like, it could be like, you know, some of the women I might find attractive. I could have the charisma, I could have the personality, you know, what to say, what to do. But at the end of the day, my own security sometimes is like, just like, damn, does she like skinny guys? Or does she like guys that are fit? Damn, like, that's the only, if I had to say one drawback, I feel like anytime I talk to a girl, it's like, that's part of the question that pops in my head. Everything else will be cool. Everything else will be cool. The only question, damn, does she like skinny guys? What if she think I'm too skinny? What if she wants someone that's a little bit more built? I tell myself this and I'm like, shit, man, there's no way you can get her, yo. You're too damn skinny for her. It's annoying. This video right here is the first step. Even if you, the person that's watching this video right now, hasn't like watched the whole thing and you're only skipping parts or whatever, this right here, sole purpose is for me to just get over it. Easier said than done, but that is what I am planning to do. Hi, let me start from the beginning. My name is Johann. I'm skinny. I'm a skinny guy, and that's okay. If you made it this far in the video, I thank you so much. That's not how I normally end videos. Look. I'm not the one to end no videos in no sappy ass story right now. All right, ready? You gonna subscribe or not?